Hey everyone, in this part of the video, we will show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Robinhood. This is useful when you want to receive Bitcoin from another wallet or exchange. First, open the Robinhood app and log into your account. Once you are on the main screen, go to the bottom menu and tap the Crypto tab. This takes you to your crypto portfolio, where you can see the coins you own. Find Bitcoin from the list and tap on it. This opens the Bitcoin page, where you can see the chart and your balance. Now look for the button that says Transfer. Tap Transfer and you will see two options. Choose Receive Bitcoin. After tapping Receive Bitcoin, Robinhood will show your unique Bitcoin wallet address. This is a long string of numbers and letters. You will also see a QR code. Both represent the same address. If someone wants to send you Bitcoin, this is the address you give them. You can copy the address by tapping the Copy button. Make sure you do not change anything in the address. Bitcoin transfers cannot be reversed. So always double-check you are sending or receiving to the correct one. If the app asks you to enable crypto transfers, follow the steps on the screen. You may need to verify your identity, confirm your email, or turn on two-factor authentication. This is for extra security. Once transfers are enabled, your address will stay the same unless Robinhood updates their wallet system. You can come back to this page anytime to copy it again. Now you know how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Robinhood. This lets you receive Bitcoin from other platforms in a safe and simple way. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and check out our other videos for more investing tips and tutorials.